one of the things you need to do once you have your field set up is you need to go in and set what type of template you want to use. And so you can click on templates and it's going to bring up what your database is going to look like. In other words, when you go in, what is it that your students are going to see? And so this is the field, or this is the area, and I clicked on templates up at the top, and I can put a title in here. I can say types of accounts, so I can have my items in here, and I can again format this however I want to format it. I can do all of the things that I can do in any other type of account. This is our available items, our available fields. This gives us what it's going to look like. So in other words, it's going to say type of account, and it's going to come over and give that information. If you want these to stand out a little bit more, I can highlight these and I can make them bold so they stand out over what it is that the students are entering. So I can do anything inside of this that I want to do. I can move these. So let's say that I want account name first. I can move. It doesn't let us move those anymore. So you can't move those anymore. I could rename these if I wanted to move these around as far as putting that information in. This would give me a footer or something down at the bottom of my page that would again define what it is that the students are doing. So once I've done that, I save my template editor, and we're going to go back to add an entry because I want to put something into my database. So I'm going to look at cash, and it is an asset. It's going to show up on my balance sheet. And then I included that, whoops, that's not I wanted to click on. I included the graphic, and so I can actually just simply drag a graphic into this, and so that graphic shows up as far as what it is that the students are going to see. Remember that, and you can tell your students the same thing, the alternative text allows those who are using screen readers to be able to know what this is. So I have my entry in, I go save, and I can go save and view, or I can go save and add another one. If I go save and view, it's actually going to bring up my item, and I can go from page to page and look at what my different entries were. If I don't want to view it as a single entry, I can also view it as a list, and so it gives me that information. Now, and you'll notice here I have my first entry and my second entry. As I go over, I can also do a search, or if I want to search for one type of item, I can say, I can look at this as what statement do they appear on, a picture, account name. So let's look at account name, and I type in cash. It's going to let me search for that cash, and it brings up the information that I ask for.